Welcome to Astro Barney YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is English translation of Marimuthu P's YouTube channel. Rahu Ketu transit prediction. Before we'll move on to prediction, first we'll see what is Rahu Ketu. Rahu and Ketu is one of Navagraha. Still it doesn't hold any physical identity and is also known as a shadow planet. Rahu and Ketu position 180 degree each other since it's 2 point of intersection on path of sun and moon. To make it very clear, example, let's say Rahu is in first house, Ketu will be in 7th house. Symbol representation. Rahu represent dragon head and human body, whereas Ketu represent human head with dragon body. Only these two planets always moves in anti-clockwise direction. Transit position and time. As per Vedic astrology, the transit time for Rahu and Ketu is 1.5 years. Since Rahu and Ketu moves in anti-clockwise direction, at present Rahu is in Gemini house and Ketu is in Sagittarius. From September 2020, Rahu will move to Taurus house and Ketu will move to Scorpio. That is, this transition period is from September 2020 till March 2022. Ashlesha Nakshatra prediction. First we'll see characteristics. Those who born in this nakshatra will have a special quality of wisdom and supreme energy to attract others. You will never spare your enemies and you will deal with them cruelly and mercilessly. For you, Nakshatra Lord is Mercury. This Nakshatra 4 Padams also lies in Cancer house. Then we'll move on to prediction. First we'll see Rahu. For you, Rahu is moving to 11th house. That is house of gain. So you can earn well. Unexpected gain you will get. In your business, you can possibility to implement automation and gain more profit. You will get new contacts. That too, Rahu is a foreign planet, so your new contacts or friends will be of other language. Possibility is more. So you may have possibility of doing joint business with your other language friends. Export import business you can try. If you're going for a job and have idea to do business, now you can start get into the field of business. If anybody searching for a job, they will get job with good salary this time. 11th house Rahu will increase your income in different ways. So possibility of buying property is there and going for vacation also possibility is there. If you have any function in home and many of you are known people voluntarily will come and support you in your function. Next we'll see Ketu. For you, Ketu is moving to 5th house. So you will get divine strength and support. So if you have a divine support, you can do anything right. So your faith on God will increase. You may visit to many temples. Progeny property issues will be there. So don't go for any new court case for that now. Just this 1.5 years, just wait patiently. And if you are planning for any child, then there will be a child delay for next 1.5 years. Then you should have to wait patiently. Bottom line, Rahu in 11th house is gain for you and Ketu in 5th house, you will get a divine support. So overall, it's very good time for you. This is a generalized prediction. If you want accurate prediction, you have to check your individual horoscope. For prediction in English, email to astrobarney@gmail.com. The charges for prediction is up to customer satisfaction. If you like this video, please press like button and do subscribe the channel and share the videos. Thank you.